So it's still going. It's the IC chips. For some reason my phone cut off. So it's getting warmer. Means it's working good. So what you want to do is kick up the sediment, collect it, and then wash the solid material in the bottom. Clean it. Keep rinsing and cleaning and pouring off the sediment. And then when the water's clear from after cleaning, you're ready to start reverse plating again. So that's the same color, similar color to what was stripped off the gold-plated coins. Copper wrapped in gold and then like heat shrinked. Stripped these in a previous video. It's a similar sediment, but I've already worked these pins, IC chip pins. Already worked them. This is some material, just a little bit left in the bottom. And this one. See if we can collect some more of that and then dry it out. So this is the IC chip material, the main batch. This was once 2 Mountain Dew bottlefuls. That's worn down to this. About 80 ounces altogether to start with. And there's material in the Ziploc bags that have been extracted. And this is material. In this material. It's like a fiberglass. Holds together the IC chips, the silicon. really light fiberglass. See the fiberglass coming off of it? There's more material, IC chip. And this was samples from reversal electroplating IC chip. This stuff. And this is maybe 24 karat wires out of the IC chips. So there's more in there. It can be broken down more. So this will go in here along with the other material extracted. I've already dried out some of this. And that one. So this has come out. This has been stripped off of that. I'm not sure how much it'll weigh. So that's just oxygen coming off there from the hydrogen peroxide. So I cleaned out the frying pan. That's for the pins and connectors. Big batch. And the wine glass is pentium pins. That's been collected for a couple days of reverse electroplating pins and connectors. And I just collected what was left in the bottom of the rinse water and added it here into the stock pot. Just keep picking off the water. Cleaned out the frying pan and put it in there. Same stuff. So this was what little bit left from all the rinse water. Just a little bit in the bottom that collects at the bottom after sitting for 24 hours. Half of that's what's in there is what settles after a couple hours. And I just pour that off and put it in the stock pot. So you just siphon off the water more and more, and that'll be less, so you'll have to boil it off, fry it off to dry the sediment off. So we're reverse electroplating using a 24 karat copper cable, 2 of them. I was using that I use that with the big batch of pins and connectors. It doesn't wear down. Didn't do much in this, not like, so I went with a solid copper wire. Works better for this material. So what I collect in this from a few sessions will go in here with this material. That was just a short session, but what'll end up from these 3 sessions will be about that much material, similar to the amount that's in there. I think there's 2, maybe 3 sessions. That could be an afternoon, a session, or 3 sessions could be one afternoon. But you know, that's just a small amount, you know, a couple grams. We'll pull a couple grams off here, 2 or 3 today. Where with the pins and connectors, you pull off ounces. A couple ounces a day, but it's down to about an ounce a day, and it's getting less and less, and the copper is depositing on the bottom, and not dissolving in aluminum or steel or copper. So I can get one more shot off this. Maybe. So there won't even be a measurable amount, not even a 10,000th of a gram of in there, which that is only a 100th of a gram. So I can put this in here. So I don't want anything solid, nothing solid. Collect solid, the copper deposits. And after each rinse off, just put them into a little stock pot of its own, and you'll have, you know, cleaner material. So after drying the pins, this material from the pins and connectors, after drying them out in the pot, clean out the pot good. This is from yesterday, from Penny and Pins. Clean it out and add it right back to the stock pot. So this has been going 45 minutes probably. So I only have a minute left on my video, so I'll just clean this off real quick. No decay on the wire, the ground. No decay on the hot wire. Try to get this washed off real quick. I'm gonna need a